Ever crave cafe smoothies but hate bulky blenders? Stay with me. Today I reveal the top 7 best small blender smoothies, powerful, portable, life-changing. Welcome to my channel. You'll save time, money, and space. If you love any, grab them through the links in the description below and start blending. At number 7 is Hamilton Beach Smoothie. What if your morning smoothie didn't steal 5 minutes, or your patience? Let's talk Hamilton Beach. The problem first. People want power, but fear bulky machines, messy cleanup, and weak blending. Sound familiar? Here's the relief. This compact blender punches above its size. Ice, frozen fruit, leafy greens, smooth, fast, done. In our small blender lineup, this one feels dependable and stress-free. Why it works? One button. No learning curve. The jar becomes your travel cup, slides into car holders, and suddenly mornings feel calmer. The trade-off? It's not built for large batches like some higher-priced rivals. But for single servings? Smart choice. Compared to others we've tested for daily comfort, this wins on simplicity and cleanup. We only suggest gear that truly earns its spot. Verdict: perfect for busy professionals and students. Power users needing family-size blends? Maybe skip. Would this fit your routine? On number 6 is Consciot Frozen Drinks. What if a small blender could crush ice like a full-size beast? That's where Consciot surprised me. The real struggle first. Most compact smoothie makers promise power, then choke on frozen fruit. Frustrating, right? Here's the shift. This one brings serious muscle. Fast spins, smart blade angles, smooth frozen drinks without babysitting. Relief kicks in instantly. In our small blender roundup, this feels more aggressive than simpler travel models, yet calmer than bulky countertop units. Smart balance. What I love. Hands-free blending, solid grip, and quick cleanup. Tested in daily routines, it feels secure and dependable. The downside? Louder than minimalist options, and maybe overkill for soft shakes. Curious trade-off? We recommend tools that earn trust, not hype. Final take: ideal for ice lovers and meal preppers. If you want ultra-quiet mornings, consider another pick. Would you trade silence for power? At number 5 is COKUNST Blender. What if your smoothie blender could travel with you, and still feel powerful? That's the promise COKUNST makes, and honestly, it surprised me. The common worry first. Portable blenders often feel weak, unsafe, or gimmicky. Nobody wants half-blended fruit on the go. Here's the relief. This one spins fast, crushes confidently, and feels secure thanks to its smart lock system. Peace of mind matters. In our small blender lineup, this sits closer to premium travel models, beating simpler bottles but staying lighter than countertop picks. Interesting balance. Standout moment. The screen. Battery, countdown, alerts, tested in real daily use, it keeps you in control. Trade-offs? Not ideal for rock-hard ice like larger units, and capacity won't suit families. Curious, right? We back gear that proves itself beyond specs. Final verdict: perfect for commuters, gym users, and travelers. Home power users should look elsewhere. Would this fit your lifestyle? At number 4 is generic hand blender. What if one hand blender could replace your bulky smoothie setup? That's the bold claim here, and it mostly delivers. The real issue first. People want quick, healthy blends without cords, clutter, or complicated parts. Many compact options feel fragile. Here's the calm. This hand-sized blender feels sturdy, spins fast, and blends right where you drink. Tested in everyday routines, it brings real convenience. In our small blender lineup, this sits closer to travel-focused picks, not countertop powerhouses, but that's the point. What stands out? Smooth results with fruits, protein powders, even baby food. Charging anywhere adds freedom and peace of mind. The compromise? Hard ice and frozen blocks are a stretch compared to stronger models on the list. Curious trade-off? We only highlight tools that earn trust through use. Final word, ideal for busy, health-focused users on the move. Ice-crushing fanatics should choose a heavier option. Would you blend on the go? On number 3 is Ninja Spout lids. What if the smallest upgrade made your smoothies feel instantly premium? That's exactly what Ninja Spout lids do. The real frustration first. You blend perfectly. Then spill, swap lids, or wash extra cups. Momentum gone. Here's the fix. Blend, twist, sip. Simple. Relief kicks in fast. In our small blender smoothie lineup, this pairs beautifully with compact Ninja units, feeling more polished than generic travel lids and more secure than budget options. Curious already? Why it matters. Tight seal. Smooth flow. No leaks on commutes. Tested in daily use, it feels safe and confidence boosting. Compared to others, these beat flimsy flip tops but cost a bit more, worth it for peace of mind. Downside? Only compatible with certain cups. Something to check before buying. We only point viewers to gear that proves its value in real life. Final take, ideal for busy smoothie lovers who hate mess. If you rarely take drinks on the go, you may skip. Would this simplify your routine? At number 2 is NutriBullet Shakes. What if better health was just a push and twist away? That's the quiet magic behind NutriBullet Shakes. The usual struggle. People want smooth, nutrient-rich drinks but fear complicated machines and messy cleanup. Been there? Here's the comfort. This compact blender keeps things simple. Press, blend, drink. Tested in everyday routines, it feels effortless and reassuring. In our small blender smoothie lineup, it sits between ultra-portable bottles and high-powered ice crushers, balanced, reliable, familiar. Curious spot, right? What shines? Consistent texture with fruits and greens, fast prep, and stress-free cleaning. That's peace of mind. The limit? Heavy frozen loads and large batches push its boundaries compared to stronger models we covered. We only guide viewers toward tools that prove their worth in real kitchens. Final verdict, ideal for beginners and daily health seekers. Hardcore frozen drink fans may want more muscle. Would this simplify your mornings? Now moving to the last one is KOIOS mixer for juices. What if your small blender could feel unstoppable without feeling complicated? That's the surprise with the KOIOS mixer. The common fear first. Buyers want strong blending but worry about safety, noise, and short lifespan. Totally fair. Here's the reassurance. This unit feels solid, controlled, and fast. Tested in real kitchen routines, it blends frozen fruit smoothly and stops only when pushed too hard. Relief matters. In our small blender smoothie lineup, it leans closer to high-powered picks, outmuscling lighter travel models while staying compact. Interesting spot, right? What stands out? Larger cups, quick ice crushing, and thoughtful safety design bring confidence and peace of mind. The downside? It's louder and less portable than USB models. Trade-off worth noting. We only point to tools that prove value beyond specs. Final take, great for home users wanting power without bulk. If you blend quietly on the go, look elsewhere. Would this upgrade your routine? After testing all contenders in the top 7 small blender smoothies, the KOIOS mixer stands out as the clear winner. It balances powerful blending, 900-watt plus strong blades, with real-world convenience, dual cups, easy cleanup, safety locks, and reliable design. It crushes ice, greens, and frozen fruit effortlessly, giving you smooth drinks every time. If you want a true everyday blender that's robust, versatile, and built for daily use without compromise, this is the one to buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best small blender smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.